Hey there, Wes Dove here with Dove Development Consulting. So we've been down a path of looking at how leading with a clear purpose is absolutely critical for us as the leaders and how we need to have that clear purpose to lock into, but also how we need to help our team members really dial in on their clear purpose and tie it to our organization's purpose and really connect those dots for them. What we're digging into right now is a little bit personal. It's some behind the scenes. It's a little bit about me and Cindy and how our clear purpose started to take shape and how we identified it. But now, how we're working through the process of really honing that purpose. So what if you dig in with me here, what you're going to see is how we developed a clearer picture through different roles, and we started really, okay, this is the purpose we want to chase, and that continues to evolve. But it's a snapshot at a moment in time of where we really latched on to a clear purpose that mattered for us, and that really opened doors to growth that we maybe never had before. But that growth in their careers, those opportunities required us to grow personally and professionally even more. So as we had opportunities, doors opened, we realized, oh crap, we're inside the door now. How do we stay in the door? How do we get ready for the next opportunity? And growth really did that thing. And then we kept running into some different roadblocks, and we all do, right? We open a door, and sometimes it sticks, or sometimes that door is a room we don't really want to be in, or whatever. But if you'll dig into this with me, you'll see where we experience some of those things. But you have too, right? That's why purpose is so critical. And the next thing we'll really dig into is how it led to when we hit those roadblocks, and we could get an even more clear purpose of what we really wanted to focus on, how we could get really, really intentional about chasing that purpose with everything we had. So hope you enjoy this. I would challenge you, wherever you're accessing this, dig into the assessment that we've got that will walk you through some quick questions. And based on your responses as to where you're at, what you're dealing with right now, our hope would be we'll give you some resources that can help you move through it and really capture the profitability that I guarantee you're losing in your organization by not having the most effective leadership tools in place. And it's not throwing stones. It just is what it is. And we want to be able to help you with that. So that's our goal, to streamline it. Hopefully it's either a low cost or no cost digital resource, but maybe it's conversation on how we might be able to help tailor solutions for you and your team that really help you capture measurable bottom line results. Make it a great day. We look forward to seeing your feedback and thoughts. See you soon. God bless.